My name is Sonia Estela Aguilera Parra. I am 36 years old. I live in Ibagué, Tolima. My cell phone number is 316-628-8394. My personal email, soniaaguilera@live.com. I am in 7th semester. Two of my course expectations are to apply my writing strategies in my role as a teacher and in my personal life, besides to develop critical thinking skills. According to the questions, I can say first answer. My personal goal could be improve my writing skills through different exercises that allow me to include new linguistic forms and vocabulary. Besides, to enhance my critical reading skills, because the proposed strategy task-based approach will develop competences and will include meaningful activities that foster my participation related to academic writing process. For example, the fact that I will be involved in academic journals, paragraphs, essays, and forums. Second answer. As future teachers, academic writing is going to be one of the most important traits that a teacher's profile must have because teachers face different educational assignments and they have to be ready in order to apply their disciplinary, communicative, and transversal competences. Answer number three. The topics that I like the most are critical thinking and steps and outlines for writing an academic essay. Because in my personal experience, I have to be part of school training and reflect about my practices. And now is the opportunity to understand how to organize ideas, points of view, support them, and being objective in my comments. And that is why I am here to learn how to do it. Fourth answer. The activities that have to be completed in each unit are Unit 1, 3 activities, Unit 2, 3 activities, Unit 3, 2 activities. I probably like most writing an academic essay on a particular topic because when I will write an essay, I will receive the tutor's feedback and I can say if I achieve my personal goal. Bye, see you later.